train is not here yet, but I did see that guy right there, that locomotive. Looked like they might have been firing that one up, so that might be our train for today. We'll know shortly. Train departs about 9:30-ish. It's 8:40 right now, so still got a little under an hour before it departs. Yeah, it's gonna be a long ride into the Grand Canyon. About a little over 2 hours to get there. Then we'll get to stay there for a bit, and then it's 2 hours back. So it's gonna be a fun ride.
I do want to point out these blue and red cars, I'll talk more about them later, and our cowboys coming up. They really are an important part of our crew, despite the fact that we keep killing them. But they do keep coming back. They have an excellent recycling program, by the way.
Recycle a lot.
And did you know we're rolling over the Grand Canyon? Yeah, Boulevard, this is it, right here.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard the Grand Canyon Railway. As we have departed the historic Williams Depot and the Grand Canyon Railway Hotel for our 63-mile journey to the Grand Canyon, it is my pleasure to introduce the crew that will be serving you today. My name is Josh, I'm the conductor, and up front in Locomotive 365 we've got Bernadette as our engineer and Stephen as our fireman. Our destination today is Las Vegas. Nobody? You guys want to go to Grand Canyon instead? Okay, never mind. Let's start that over then. Our destination today is the Grand Canyon National Park. Over. Bravo train 4 confirmed. GCR transport number 36 to 365 train 4. How's that? Box 2. Proceed from Wilhaw to Grand Canyon. Or is that okay at 10:47 1047? My dispatcher GTF. Over. Receiving your conductor train 4. We're along to stay. I will let this lonesome whistle roll my blues away. Yeah, thank you guys.
with this gorgeous white lantern. That's really
That looking good. Let's go another 7.
our way back to the flag
I charge $100. Yeah, just Venmo. Cross clear and protect. Let's go 10 chicken switches.
Clear protected, clear back 10 chicken switches.
Hard at work or hardly working? Both. We're across the covered line for 4, give her 12.
Covered line for 12, what's your...
Have a wonderful, safe time, and if a gust of wind blows your hat off, you know, let it go.
And where are you?
That squirrel is close. Like, you got no fear whatsoever, do you? How close you are. I could almost pet you. I don't dare try though, because I value my fingers.
Getting the good shots? Yeah. They have fallen off before. So you got a lanyard?
Yep. I got a string right here for that.
Conductor 61 lease over.
61.
Hey, can you call Park Police up here and give them a heads up on that lady as well?
Copy that.
Thank you.
They have no idea who did it, when it was done, or why it was in there the way it was. And you can look it up for yourself, but you have to be very specific. You'd think this would make headline news, right? But no, they're not anxious to let this out. So you'd be very specific. You can go into search engine and type in Saqqara map. And Saqqara is spelled S-A-Q-Q-A-R-A. So they don't have a U after every Q they see, right? So S-A-Q-Q-A-R-A, you should still be able to pull it up and see for yourself. Apparently there's some small section of it cordoned off by our government and there's a no-fly zone. You can't even get a drone in there, so could that be the location of the Kincaid Cave? I'll leave it to you to ponder. Now, if you want to find out more about this legend, and believe me, that was the Reader's Digest micro version. There's a lot more out there. You can go into any search engine and type in Kincaid Cave, or if you don't remember that, type in Grand Canyon Egyptian Treasure, and I guarantee you, all these documentaries and articles will come up, including the article Mr. Kincaid published on April 5th, 1909. You can read it for yourself. So, thank you so much. I do hope you like the legend.
dispatcher back in Williams. It appears that Cataract Creek gang, those notorious train robbers, well, they were just seen headed out of town on horseback straight for us. You guys can do me a big favor. Look out for some dirty cowboys out there on horses. I assure you, we've got nothing to worry about unless this train comes to a stop. If this train comes to a stop, that means they're getting on board. Honestly, folks, I'm not too worried about this situation. I've got a great hiding spot, but good luck to the rest of you.
Where's your money? You spent it all on this fancy car ride.
Or a destitute down here.
Just keep your hands up. I ain't got nothing.
Get them up!
It's a nice sleeping bag. Yeah, let me is 30.
Hand up money!
You know what this is? No, it's a stick-on. I'll call you. Come on now. I'm sorry. I can't take my guns out, so I thought this was more.
Hands up, money out. That's the rule. Where's the money?
I don't have any money. You got 30.
You want to look like I even know what that is? What language is he speaking?
I don't know. What was that? Some like Mars or something. Martian. Cash App? Cash App. Say it's fun. Cash App. Cash App. Cash App. Where's your Cash App? Come on. This fella's probably got a Cash App. Look at that big camera he's got there. Where's your Cash App? Hey, how about this? Where's your Cash App at? Where's your Cash App at? Apparently they got no money.
Your gang, I'm the only one
I'm
with
gonna
glasses.
take the
I
cheese.
guess, right? Yeah, the rest go break. Don't share with them now. Exactly. He got it. Hey. Them fighting words.
Horses back here?
No, no horse.
Where are the horses at? Rex! You said we could trust that man. Where are the horses at?
Well, like, there's a marshal. Jump! Are we gonna call our wives?
Man, we're not calling our wives. We're just gonna jump. Come on.
But my Puerto Rican, she's got.
No, we're gonna throw you and land on you for cushion.
Now, before we do that, gather up the sleeping bag.
Am I really that thick?
No.
They went that way.
How many are there?
I never saw a thing. I'm so afraid.
Oh, it's like in the window. It's like in the window. Like, hey.
Should have known.
Yeah. My dad like, ew, my dad like, oh, sorry. Good. I mean, sorry. Hey, you okay?
Barely.
Everybody's all right?
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna hang these guys up.
Oh.
I'm gonna string them up in Tucson. Oh, God.
No, Texas Rex, get it right.
Jesus. Let's go. Stick your hands in the air and your eyes back in your head. Charlie, wait! What? You have any idea how angry Mom's gonna be?
Don't tell Mom,
You are
please.
in my train.
Oh.
No.
It's my little brother. I had no idea. Mom's gonna whoop his tail. Robbing his big brother's train. You folks have a great night.